Have you heard about this little-known kidney disease solution? Have you been told by your doctor that your kidney disease can't be reversed? That may not necessarily be true. Western medicine can save many lives, it's true. But it still has a limited scope of ineffective treatment for many diseases. A perfect example is chronic kidney disease. In a lot of cases, the best Western medicine can do is put you on dialysis or on a kidney transplant list. But the truth is there are powerful natural remedies that have been around far longer than Western medicine, which is proven highly effective in treating kidney disease. John Matthews said, "On my last test, my creatine score was down to 120, which is at the top end of the normal range, and I feel well. Your program has had a positive effect." After everything I'd been told, the advice I was most excited and glad to hear was the advice I discovered in the kidney disease solution: kidneys can be fixed. Natural medicine is a field that takes years of dedicated study. Your doctors aren't experts and have limited knowledge in this field. However, a naturopath and scientific researcher has dedicated years in specialized research and studies solely toward kidney health and kidney disease and has developed a kidney disease solution, which is proven effective to work on all types of kidney disease. If you've been told nothing can be done for your kidneys, get a second opinion. Greater than find out more about the kidney disease solution here. You can click the link at the description box below.